Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 30 to April 5. Ayan, so time flies, no? Mag-April na, second quarter ng taon. So, kung binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Cancer na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. And sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to Mystico Moreno para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos in the future. Okay? So, bubunot ako dito ng 3 cards that will be the overall energy of your reading, of your love, connection, and relationship this week. So, I'll get the 3rd card dahil March pa rin naman. And see. First card, 6 of Coins. Judgment and Temperance. Okay. So, for this week, ang nasasagap kong energy dito is there's a lot of reciprocation happening between you and your person. Okay, so wala namang issue when it comes to reciprocation. So, kung ano yung pinaprovide mo, pinaprovide din back sa'yo. Ano yung mga needs mo na nami-meet. Okay? Na nami-meet din sa end niya. And what you express, di ba? And what you say is bumabalik siya. Yun nga, well reciprocated siya. And I can see here na because itong reciprocation also is coming from a recent past kung saan parang you were taken for granted na hindi ginagawa yun ng person mo sa'yo before, but may nangyari na nagpa-realize dun sa person ninyo na hindi na niya dapat ginagawa yun or hindi ka na niya dapat tinitake for granted. Okay? And that's why inayos niya lahat para sa'yo. Okay? If you were in separation with this person in the recent past, nagkaroon ng reconciliation, and kakabit ng reconciliation is a promise made into action of na hindi nagawin yung mga bagay na nag-cause ng separation, and this reconciliation is also resulting to redemption, resulting to reciprocation. Okay? So, reconciliation, redemption, reciprocation. So, that's the overall energy for this reading. Pero tignan natin ano ba yung nasasagap na energy for Cancer, yung detalye niya. And habang binabalasa ko to, again, gusto ko lang pong i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin na hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. Okay? So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading in the future, or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate dahil ang oracle and tarot reading naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? Kasi may mga nagko-comment na bakit ganito, bakit ganyan yung reading. Again, if nag-resonate sa inyo, ibig sabihin na-tap yung energy ninyo, and I'm just reading what the cards are showing and telling me, and yeah, whatever downloads from the universe, nire-relay ko lang naman. I don't manipulate my readings na palitan ko yung meaning ng cards, di ba? Just to suit someone's preference. di ba? Hindi tarot reading yun. Okay? So, and best pa rin talaga to book a personal love reading if yun talaga yung gusto nyo mangyari na naka-align sa storya nyo, sa energy niyo. Okay? But this, again, is a collective reading. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck to give the detail of this overall energy. First card, 10 of Pentacles. The Hanged Woman. Ace of Pentacles. Eight of Cups. Page of Cups. The Devil. Queen of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. And last, Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck, the energy you don't see coming is the Hermit. Okay. So, the Hermit is yung energy na nandito sa connection niyo but you don't see it coming or you're not really aware. Pero, siyempre, interpret natin muna yung mga ibang cards. You might be dealing with a Capricorn, a Pisces, Sagittarius, and Scorpio, and Virgo. Okay? So, pwede yun yung sign ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay? And, pwedeng iba pa rin naman. Pero check nyo yung placements ng kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising. Baka yung mga nabanggit kong reading ay yun yung sign nila dun sa mga placements na yun. Okay, sige. Di ba yung overall energy is full of gratitude, reciprocation, and reconciliation. And you can see here naman that with the Ten of Pentacles that itong connection na to, ito yung gusto nyong maging end goal naman din talaga to settle down, have a stable and long-lasting relationship. Okay? But as shown here by the Hanged Man is may uncertainty. May uncertainty sa inyo. Maybe because of yung na-mention ko kaninang recent past na now nag-lead naman to something positive which is redemption and reconciliation. Okay? And reciprocation. Pero may nangyari kasi in the past that made you feel na parang tama ba to? Teka muna. So you're having a pause, trying to reflect on things. Tapos, and you're putting into action more on emotions din talaga dito. Emotions and something about the physicality or materialism of this connection. Something tangible ang nagkikita dahil maraming pentacles din and cups sa reading na to. But here, Ace of Pentacles is that, di ba nga, now that there's a reconciliation and redemption, there's this new promising new beginning. There's a promising new beginning between you and your person, and parang now you're just letting go of the past, as shown here by the Eight of Cups. That's why meron judgment, which is redemption, and also at the same time forgiveness, because now nilet go nyo na ano man yung issue na yun between you and your person. Kung nagkaroon man ng conflict, you're already walking away from it. And again, shown with the Page of Cups is the fresh start that both of you want. So it's when it comes to the emotional stability, emotional security, leaning towards doon naman na talaga. And whatever is dito shown here by the devil, that before may mga bagay na full of negativity, even leaning towards fears, mga fears sa relationship, mga red flags, and I would say parang toxicity. Wala na siya. It will be replaced by something nourishing, something caring, as shown here by the Queen of Pentacles, and something abundant. Okay? So, ito na yung comfort ba nung love, kasi leaning towards secure naman na siya. And some more, lumabas din, nakakabit siya kay Eight of Pentacles, which is a card of effort and commitment. So, nakikita naman na dito talaga na very committed naman na talaga sa iyo yung person ninyo with the Eight of Pentacles energy plus the Nine of Cups energy, which is being victorious, yung sense of fulfillment ba sa relationship nandun na rin. Okay? And there's just this sometimes a bit of, syempre, ngayon may mga compromises na kayong gagawin, lalo na coming from the recent past that led nga to this redemption and reconciliation. And yung pinagmulan nun is something that really parang you have to let go, pero sometimes medyo in denial kayo na ano yung dapat yung gawin. Diba? Alam nyo, pero medyo in denial lang kayo. That's why meron sa inyo energy of wanting still a bit of space to reflect, fully reflect and fully work on things. But everything is leaning towards yung pagkakaayos in a way, in a sense na nandun naman na yung end goal of having a reciprocated connection, diba? Coming and rooting from reconciliation and redemption. Okay? So sana nakatulong itong reading na to. I hope this helps. Kung nag-resonate siya, then comment na below. If not, then just leave this behind. May mga reading pa na masusunod. At before i-close ko itong reading na to, bubunot ako ng isang oracle card that will be the overall energy. Sorry, not overall energy, but the advice of the universe for you. Sige, let's get the third card. Spirituality. So, sinasabi lang din dito is to really pag ang spirituality din naman kasi is not all about yung mga about religion, or it's more on your belief system din, and kung paano, how it affects din yung mga decisions nyo, yung how you would welcome someone in your life, diba? How you connect with others. It's alam mo kung ano din yung parang your truth. What's your truth? Parang ganun. Okay? And use that to really make this connection something that's worth staying in din naman. Diba? Ayun, so abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.